Good morning, everyone, and welcome to JR Jeep. I thank you for stopping by on this 4th of July. I know we're all rather busy, either out in the field enjoying a long weekend or just spending time with family and doing things. So I just wanted to share today in my searches online and just viewing stuff, I saw a couple of the things I use on a regular basis. Actually had some good sale prices during 4th of July. So I thought I'd just share that out quick so that you maybe could take advantage of it if you wish to. There are a lot of other deals out there too, but the two I'm going to mention right now are basically the Set Power 21 quart fridge that I use, the model FC20. That is right now down to $199. From a $299 price point. Pretty cool. It's a 22 quart fridge or 21 quart fridge. It's nice for a couple days off-road, overlanding. I wouldn't use it for anything longer than that, but it did provide me great ample service for during that time. I've used it a couple times on the field. The other thing I'm going to call out is basically the Blue Yeti EB3A power bank. This I picked up this last spring. I've used this on a trip. I do have a bigger one, but this unit works fantastic. It does have a 600 watt wave pure sine converter that allows for 1200 watt surge. That will actually power my Set Power refrigerator. So, and it will do it, I did a test at home, it would do it about 18 hours. Now, you may consider that's not going to be really a long time if you're in a field. If you have the refrigerator running off your car during that time, it should be no problem. You can plug it in when you need it at night or at the park so it doesn't drain your battery. As far as the Set Power and part of the stickers on it, I actually modified it a little bit the way I want it. They do offer it in a couple of colors now, which I had before. They offer it in a screen color like I have. They also offer it in a black color. The only thing I would consider, maybe the black color might draw more heat, so it might not be quite as efficient. That is the fridge. You can reverse this lid. So again, thank you for stopping by. I hope you found this information useful. If you did, please give a thumbs up. Look forward to some of our other content coming out shortly. I'm going to post some information about the trip. Just been rather busy lately. A little move going on in life. We all run into it, and I'm running into one now too. So I might have to make a move pretty soon, and that's taking up a little bit of my time. So I thank you for understanding. Again, have a nice day, a happy 4th. And thanks for stopping by. Talk to you later.